Welcome to this tutorial, where I will show you how to disable the sharing of location data when exporting photos in the VSCO app. Many users prefer to keep their location private, so this quick guide will help you adjust your privacy settings easily and ensure your location stays secure. First, open the VSCO app on your phone. Next, locate and tap the two-line menu icon. Then, find and select the Privacy and Data option from the menu. Then, in the Privacy and Data menu, find the option labeled Share Location Data when exporting. You will see several options like sharing to your VSCO profile, your phone gallery, email, or other social networks. To stop sharing your location, simply uncheck these boxes according to where you do not want your location data to be shared. Make sure to review each option carefully and disable the ones you prefer to keep private. Finally, exit the settings and return to the app. Now, when you export your photos, VSCO will no longer include your location data, helping you maintain your privacy and control over your shared content. This quick change will keep your location information safe every time you export photos.